I am free. I am freedom. All my thoughts are
4, 3, 2, 1. Happy 420!
Can't you feel the music getting hotter? Make the move, sister, make the move and down the road.
So one word to describe cannabis?
Yeah.
Therapeutic.
That's
It's awesome.
It's great for appetite.
Uma boa noite de sono.
Business. I don't smoke.
Conhecer cannabis no Brasil. A gente começou a conhecer cannabis aqui no Canadá, estudar, ler artigos sobre o que era cannabis, como é que funcionava.
I guess it depends on the method that you're taking it. The CBD has really changed my life, and it's helped me manage stress and anxiety, and I don't have to resort to taking pharmaceuticals. So it's an all-natural way to deal with stress, anxiety, pain, and just have a really nice day.
Awesome.
A diferença daqui no Brasil é muito grande. A visão que a gente tem aqui do cannabis, totalmente a visão que tem no Brasil. No Brasil, o cannabis ainda é criminalizado tudo. Ele está associado a drogas pesadas, a tráfico e tudo mais. Aqui é legalizado, você tem a loja toda bonitinha, curada lá, você conversa com a pessoa, você tá com dor de cabeça, tá conseguindo dormir, você tem tipo 7 dias de maconha para você consumir, para dar resolver esse problema.
I got really busy after legalization, and I'm not a licensed shop, so I think there's the government is withholding licenses from a lot of shops, and that's actually pushing a lot of people towards the black market, which is the opposite effect that the government intended. So yeah, as you can see, it's pretty busy. Yeah, everybody is busy.
You know, the fact that it's become legal, they can start doing more research and everything, especially for the medical benefits. There's been so much fear around the drug itself that they don't realize that there's so much medicinal properties. There's so many.
Sure, I've had this business for 8 years now, and it started off as a referral base only, friends and friends of friends, and now I'm on weed maps and I go see random people in their homes.
A lot of positive news coming out for all kinds of different ailments that people have, and it's not all about getting high for everybody. Some people it's about getting high for fun, you know, like they would drinking. Other people it's more, you know, it's medicinal, they have it for pain. I know it helps for a lot of people for anxiety, or, you know, they say for post-traumatic stress disorder. People use it to help sleep and relax and things like that. So it's pretty good. I don't like it for children, but when you're an adult, you should be able to make a decision to use whatever medication you like.
Cerveja não pode cannabis. O que é que faz mais mal? Qual a diferença de um outro, né?
E as diferentes técnicas, antes de a gente veio morar aqui, a gente morou aqui não tal. Então quando você vem do Brasil com a mentalidade de que o cannabis faz mal, e aí você chega aqui e o pessoal tá tipo dentro do Canna Clinics, all over downtown. Você vai em qualquer lugar, você vê as Canna Clinics e o pessoal tá indo pra poder se tratar, pra poder dormir melhor, pra poder melhorar o dor.
Call on me, fall on me. I can catch you. let it be, c'est la vie. Mon amour, c'est dans mon cœur. I see who you are. If you need me, I am never far. Call on me, fall on me. I can get you, let it be, c'est la vie. Mon amour.